Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, and welcome to my channel if you are new. My name is Kristen. Hello, welcome. My September Ipsy finally came in the mail today, so I thought we'd open it together. So this is everything that is inside. I did some add-ons this month, so I added on this Ciate Beauty satin sleep set. I have a black pillow case and I love it, so I wanted another one. This is the pillowcase, an eye mask, and a little scrunchie. It's cheetah print, which I love. And this was like, I don't know, it was like $5 to add it on, so I was like, why not add it on? Then I got these towel scrunchies, but I think this was a choice for my box this month, or my bag. These are really cute. These are also from Ciate. These are microfiber towels. They're good for drying. They're good for the beach, the pool. There's 2 in here. So I'm going to really like these, especially after the shower, because I shower at night, so I'm going to be putting these to use a lot. And then this is the actual bag. It's super cute. It says, "You got this." I love the color. So first we have these brushes. These are from YC collection. I'm excited for new brushes. I feel like some of my brushes are just getting really close. These are the brushes. This one's like just a flat shadow brush. This one I think will be good for highlight. And then a fluffy blending brush. Next is this balm from Full Ritual. The packaging is really nice. I'm excited for this because it looks really pretty. Ooh, I like the packaging a lot. It's really nice. I've never heard this brand. This is in the shade Second Nature. Oh, it's a pretty, just like a light brown. This will look pretty over lip liners. I have some lip liners. I think this will look really pretty over. Another add-on that I got was this Whey Scalp and Body Scrub. I've only tried one other product from Whey, and I didn't really love it, but this was a scalp scrub, so it sounds really good. So if I like it, I might go buy it full size. It's very rosy smelling. Then last I got the Ciate Cranberry palette. This looked so pretty to me. And just different. But I am so excited to use it. Let's see. The packaging is just so pretty. Like, look at how pretty. Very neutral, but you have that pop of cranberry. And then this shade, I hope you can see it. Okay, see how it's like that two-toned? That's why I chose this. I'm gonna swatch it. Let's see. Ooh, that's so pretty. So pretty. So that's the eyeshadow. The light's not doing it justice, and then that's the lip gloss. Hi, it's editing me. So I just realized I'm missing an item, and it's this Natasha Denona cheek duo. It's the Cupid cheek duo. I'm not even mad that I didn't get it because I don't really love the blush. The highlight looks pretty, but do I need another highlighter? No, but I don't know if I want to like contact Ipsy. I might and see what they say, but yeah, I thought something was off, and that was it. I am really happy with this month's Ipsy. I'm loving Ipsy so far. I think it's great. It's so much better than BoxyCharm. Like, I'm going to love every single one of these products. So if you guys want any reviews, let me know. They'll probably be on Instagram. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. That's always linked down below. Let me know if you guys want any videos in the comments down below. Any video suggestions, please let me know. I'll get them up ASAP for you. And yeah, that is all I have to say, so I'll see you guys next time. Bye!